I do quite a bit of carving. Walking sticks is the big thing. I do canes. And one of the issues is always detail sanding. How do you get detail sanding? Well, it can cost you a lot of money to buy all the little tools and little jigs to get down into the tight spots. And I discovered by using a disc, a sanding disc from 3M, that I can do detail sanding about as good as anything you can buy. So I buy a round disc like this one you see right here. I've used this one quite a bit. And then I roll this thing up into a little cone, as sharp as I can get the cone to go. And this becomes my detail sanding disc. So there it is. I got a sharp detail cone. And when I'm doing something like this, I can get into the tightest little spots with that disc, and it doesn't wear out. It goes and it goes. It's such a good product. So here's an example of a stick that I've got the drawing on there, and I'm going to be carving leaves. Well, I have to get down in there and sand in those little places. These cones are great. It's cloth backed. They call it a 900 DZ, and you can buy them. You can buy a whole box if you want, but you're not going to get a nicer detail sander than to take these discs and roll them up and use them like that. Now I like to buy well, I don't know what I should say. I don't know if I like it or not. I buy the one with a sticky back, because then I can get my hand stuck on it at times when I'm trying to do a surface like that. So I buy the sticky back cloth 900 DZ ceramic aluminum oxide disc. The grit doesn't crumble off, and you can really polish. So I buy 80 grit. I clean up at 80 grit. Then I take another disc and roll it up, and I go with 100. Then I go 120 and 150. That's how I clean it up. It really works good. You should get you some of these discs and try some detail sanding with it. Maybe you're painting your windows or something. I think this is the best detail sander there is.